Before I could really show what I wanted to do with this truck, the battery died on the GoPro. What I got done was building the frame, mounted the axles to the frame or the chassis. I also mounted my wheels and tires. What these are metal beadlock HB or HR wheels. I'm not really sure, but they're metal beadlock and they're actually kind of heavy with some really soft foams. So this is what we got so far on the truck. I got myself one of these Connexus. It's a ESC and motor combo. It's made for a 1/10 scale. It's a 4-pole, 3000 kV brushless motor. Come at a really nice price for what you get. You know, you get the motor, a brushless 3000 kV motor, and the ESC. The only thing I don't like is it comes with these, I think they're EC3s. Yeah, EC3 plugs. So I'll be converting that to either Traxxas TRX plugs, what I use on all my trucks. To replace this ugly mock-up steering servo, I went and found a Tactic TSX40. It's a metal geared high torque servo. I did a couple drop tests with the truck to see how my shock building capabilities are. So far, it works really well. This truck takes landings very well. I was drop testing it from really far up in height. It did really well, so I'll put some slow-mos of it dropping down. This is a 4600 kV, so about 1600 more kV than the new motor will be sticking in there. And this motor is just buttery smooth. Nice wires. This is a nice motor. For 85 bucks, this already is meeting more than my expectations. Alright guys, I'm going to be soldering these Traxxas plugs. Now I've got two facing the same direction, just about the same length. We flip the switch, fan works. I don't see any lights. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this fan really works. Now I know my plug works. ESC, nice mounted, wired up, plugged into the receiver. Receiver box is sealed. The truck itself, it runs. It's complete for the drivetrain and the steering components and suspension and the electronics. It's complete. Alright guys, I got you mounted up on the SMT10. Let's see if we can do a little bit of ripping for our first little run.